I apologize. Love you, love you. I apologize. I don't know how articulate this is going to be. I'm in a state of shock, for sure. I've wanted to be a teacher since I was 3 years old. When I started preschool, I thought it was the most magical place in the world. I loved that I could go somewhere and learn new things and talk with my friends and discover new information. And I went home that first week of school and I told my parents, this is what I want to do. And every year, I went to kindergarten, I want to be a kindergarten teacher. And third grade, I want to be a third grade teacher. This has always been the dream. And when I did my student teaching here in Lawrence Middle School, this really, really became the dream. I fell in love with this school. I fell in love with this district. And coming here every day, driving down the road, knowing that this is my building, it is not lost on me what a privilege that is and what an honor it is to do this and to work with the wonderful colleagues that I have in this incredible district under administration that I really respect. And the part that makes it worthwhile and that makes it incredible and worth doing every single morning is all of you. And I love my students. I love my 8th graders from last year. I already love my 7th graders from this year. And I just could not be more grateful to work with all of you across houses, across this district. Teaching is the best job in the world. I am beyond honored to be up here with so many all-stars, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you. Thank you. Stay up there.